Hey everybody, today I'm showing you an Argosy camper. And what year is the camper?
72.
72. And we're going to get a tour. This is Moose. And what's the turtle's name?
Shelly.
Shelly is the turtle. And this is Bill and his wife?
Katrina.
Katrina. And she cooks good squash. Alright, we are going to look inside the camper because it's a windy day, so we're going to talk inside. So Katrina's going to give us a tour. Alright. So this is a 1972 Airstream Argosy. And how long is it?
26 feet.
26 feet.
We call it the Moose Lodge.
Because the dog's name is Moose?
Right. And
okay.
This is Moose's bed. And he actually found this yesterday and drooled on it, so I wanted it anyway.
So you have to buy it because the dog drooled on it. Yeah, he's a service dog, so he gets to go inside. So this is all storage up top here. And do you have storage under the bed too?
Yes, there's storage. This folds into, it makes a couch.
Okay, and what condition was this in when you bought it?
It was real dingy. The walls, this was, the end caps, as I call them, were yellow, but they were very faded, and it had the avocado green sink.
So you replaced that?
Yeah, and the countertops and the backsplash.
That's new. Anything else? Or is the rest all original?
No, not really. We put up the ship vac.
Okay.
The bathroom is not quite. Somebody's been looking in my tub.
Oh, somebody opened the shower curtain. So we're at a rally and people are doing tours. So
yeah.
Yeah.
But it's got the tub. This is going to be the corrugated steel.
Like the rusty tin.
Like the rusty tin.
Okay.
And we're going to take and put cedar on this.
That'll be nice.
And there'll be a sign up here that has a moon, half moon, and it'll say bathhouse.
Okay.
And this'll, I've got a curtain that's ordered that'll be like a barn door look.
Okay.
It's a shower curtain.
So it's going to be very rustic.
Yeah, rustic. That was
Yeah, I like that.
we still have to finish this wall.
So it is a work in progress.
Right, work in progress. And I want to, I found out that I can stain these darker, so I'm going to try to make them like a cherry or something dark.
Okay. Alright guys, so I'm going to take you outside now and show you around outside. Thank you, Katrina.
Thank you. Wow, that's
Come here, Moose.
There's Moose again. Yep, getting his mouth wiped. Alright guys, so this is today's video. Hit a thumbs up if you haven't already. And I will see you on the next video. We'll do a quick walk by here. There we are. See you on the next video. Bye.